I'm going to show you how to cut cabbage for noodles. Here, I bought the cabbage from a full cabbage from the market. I have exactly cut the cabbage into two semicircles, exact half, and then each half I have again cut into another half. The hard surface woody piece which is present could be just chopped off and cut from the center. If you observe, only when this is removed will the leaflets can be separated. Now, depending on the size you want the cabbage pieces to be for the noodles, you can make an incision like this. In case the cabbage is bigger, you could make another cut like this and then make it easier for you for cutting. And now start slicing the cabbage. Now you can see this quarter portion is again cut into another half. You could see the length and then you can start, cut it into that size. Now let us begin to cut. Hold the cabbage like this, press it nicely and then the size of the cabbage which is sliced or shredded, and this is the appropriate size which is used for making the noodles. This is how the cabbage is shredded.